in the CNN newsroom. I'm Ana Cabrera in New York. Thanks for being with me on this Veterans Day. We are following breaking news right now. An urgent, out-of-control wildfire emergency in several parts of California. And just a short time ago, the death toll jumped again when fire officials found the bodies of 2 more people who died when they were overcome by the fast-moving fires. Cliffside homes in Malibu and Ventura County either burned to the ground or are seriously damaged. Hundreds of thousands of people around Los Angeles have evacuated. It's just not safe to stay there. The most destructive of the wildfires is in Northern California. That's where about 6,500 family homes have burned down. And some towns north of Sacramento have been completely destroyed. Entire towns. And there's something else. Officials fear the death toll may still go up. More than 100 people who live in the fire zones are not accounted for. Their families don't know at this hour if they're safe or not.